Torrential slide value equivalent to 313.38 rands a coin. The present cost range, 309.63–322.25. The earlier day close, 318.17. The change was 4.79, 1.51%. Converse rate, ZAR to AVAX. Torrential slide cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday. Walk, 27, cost 331 rands, high 354, low 308. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday. Walk, 28, cost 312 rands, high 334, low 290. Torrential slide cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk, 29, cost 328 rands, high 351, low 305. Torrential slide gauge on Thursday. Walk, 30, cost 312 rands, high 334, low 290. In multi-week torrential slide cost forecast on Friday. Walk, 31, cost 323 rands, high 346, low 300. Torrential slide gauge on Monday. April, 3, cost 311 rands, high 333, low 289. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 4, cost 352 rands, high 377, low 327. Torrential slide figure on Wednesday. April, 5, cost 356 rands, high 381, low 331. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday. April, 6, cost 321 rands, high 343, low 299. In about 14 days torrential slide figure on Friday. April, 7, cost 330 rands, high 353, low 307. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday. April, 10, cost 334 rands, high 357, low 311. Torrential slide figure on Tuesday. April, 11, cost 373 rands, high 399, low 347. Torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 12, cost 372 rands, high 398, low 346. Torrential slide estimate on Thursday. April, 13, cost 389 rands, high 416, low 362. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost forecast on Friday. April, 14, cost 365 rands, high 391, low 339. Torrential slide estimate on Monday. April, 17, cost 343 rands, high 367, low 319. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 18, cost 333 rands, high 356, low 310. Torrential slide estimate on Wednesday. April, 19, cost 339 rands, high 363, low 315. Torrential slide cost forecast on Thursday. April, 20, cost 337 rands, high 361, low 313. In about a month torrential slide conjecture on Friday. April, 21, cost 328 rands, high 351, low 305. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday. April, 24, cost 316 rands, high 338, low 294. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday. April, 25, cost 311 rands, high 333, low 289. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Avalanche cost expectation for Walk 2023. At the outset cost at 313 rands, excessive cost 354, while low cost 257. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 312. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 323, change for spring 3.2%. Torrential slide estimate for April 2023. To start with cost at 323 rands, exorbitant cost 416, while low cost 289. The found the middle value of cost 339. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 328, change for April 1.5%. Torrential slide cost expectation for May 2023. Before all else cost at 328 rands, excessive cost 328, while low cost 279. It arrived at the midpoint of cost 309. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 300, change for May 8.5%. Torrential slide conjecture for June 2023. Initially cost at 300 rands, excessive cost 372, while low cost 300. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 330. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 348, change for June 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for July 2023. Initially cost at 348 rands, excessive cost 348, while low cost 272. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 315. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 292, change for July 16.1%. Torrential slide figure for August 2023. Initially cost at 292 rands, excessive cost 292, while low cost 228. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 264. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 245, change for August 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for September 2023. At the outset cost at 245 rands, excessive cost 296, while low cost 245. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 266. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end 277, change for September 13.1%. Torrential slide conjecture for October 2023. At the outset cost at 277 rands, excessive cost 282, while low cost 246. They found the middle value of cost 267. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 264, change for October 4.7%. Torrential slide cost expectation for November 2023. To start with cost at 264 rands, exorbitant cost 264, while low cost 206. They found the middle value of cost 239. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 222, change for November 15.9%. Torrential slide gauge for December 2023. To start with cost at 222 rands, exorbitant cost 276, while low cost 222. They found the middle value of cost 245. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end 258, change for December 16.2%. Torrential slide cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 258 rands, exorbitant cost 258, while low cost 202. They found the middle value of cost 234. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 217, change for January 15.9%. Torrential slide estimate for February 2024. First and foremost cost at 217 rands, exorbitant cost 217, while low cost 169. They found the middle value of cost 196. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end 182, change for February 16.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at 182 rands, excessive cost 182, while low cost 142. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 165. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end 153, change for spring 15.9%. ZAR to AVAX swapping scale equivalent to 0.3191 coins per 100 rands. The present reach 0.3103 minus 0.3230. The early